Hello everybody, welcome to a new video. Today we're gonna take turtles in Python and how to change the color. Okay, so some of you might have a problem in using a Visual Studio Code maybe or any other program, so you can use with me idle. Okay, here you're gonna import turtle and Amy equal turtle.turtle. I'll explain all of this code now. Okay, so here first we need to import the turtle library, and then we will make an turtle. For example, we named it Amy and equal to turtle. See here, the first time we write turtle, it will be the first letter in the first time. We'll make it small, and then we put dot after the turtle. Then we put the first letter T capital, and then we write complete the turtle small, and then we put empty parentheses, and then we will make Amy, the name of the name of the turtle, and here dot color. We set the color of it to be green, and then here we write for side in 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so here we'll draw a hexagon, so we need to repeat this. What for side in 1 2 3 4 5 6, it repeats. Means if we put 4 numbers only, it will beat 4 times. This aim forward 60 and aim right 60. Okay, so we run model. We're gonna run our model, and here we got it. Okay, how we can draw a square? So here we need 4 times only. So here make only 4 numbers, and here Amy or whatever is its name, we make 100 forward and 90 degree right. Click on save, enter, and we got a square exactly. Okay, we want to change the color, for example, to be red. Okay, and here we want to make a big one, or make a rectangle. So here I want, for example, a rectangle, so I'm 150 right forward, and then Amy also dot right. I want to make it, for example, 150, and run the model and check if it gives us, or we need to edit something. No, it gives us a triangle. Okay, there's something we need to make it only maybe 2 times. You need just to keep editing the units and the measures till you get the shape that you want. Still or just a minute, we need first, it will start moving to 150, then right, no, then forward, by mistake, forward. Maybe that's why it didn't work properly. No, just a minute. We need to make, for example, here 100 and here 50. That will be better, and it will be more smaller. Okay, but how we change the color? Before we write for side inside, we make amy.color the name, and then we put parentheses and then quotation and write the name of the color. Okay, I want to, what will give us? Just this. Maybe we need 4 times. 3 and 4. And model. It seems to be a square actually, so I want to make this 150. Yes, please. I don't know how to do, because I'm not like an engineer. So let's draw the last thing. We need to draw a triangle. For example, here I'm gonna make 90%, and here repeat 3 times. 3 times, not 4 times. It will give us near to a triangle, and we need some edits. Yeah. So it will move forward. No, I need to make it just a minute. Amy, I need Amy to move first 90 degree, right? Let's try making 90 degree the angle. Not working. Or you can search on internet how to make an triangle with Python turtle. Yeah. Okay, so this is the code that we need, but it's repeated, so we can just make it small. How? Because code is repeated. Yes or no? So here we'll write for side in 1-2 like this, and you can just try to delete it like this and run the model. Invalid syntax. Sorry, I need to make it like this. Run it. Oops. Run model. Yeah, now we got it. So that was the lesson for today, and see you in the next video, inshallah.